walking towards somebody you know. That is literally a headache. You know somebody will coming up, but what me feel look? Me can't look in your face.
Somebody if talk to come here go through depression.
Alright, so use the word professional in a sentence for me.
This is Generation for TVJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.
Give me that now.
I am a professional Jamaican.
It look like me just wake up, but me literally never sleep last night. And my eye them look fat. It bag them under my eye is literally Louis Vuitton. They are very expensive.
Okay.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Kelly, and today I'm back again to the next YouTube video. So guys, as I can see by the title and the thumbnail, like embarrassing things what shouldn't be embarrassing. Just like crossing the road, like why is that embarrassing? I don't know. So guys, these are things what me find embarrassing, like, and these are very normal things, and like none outrageous or out the way. It's very normal, everybody do this stuff, but to me it's just embarrassing for some reason. I don't know why, I don't know how. Before getting this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I know say subscribe free, the money not for pay. So let's just get straight into this video. Okay, alright, so the first one we have is sneezing or coughing in a class. Ew! Me always a hold back me sneeze or me cough. Me don't know why. That is so embarrassing. Like, I mean, it's kind of like weird because everybody sneeze, everybody cough. Me tell you, hold it back till me look like this. Because everybody go just turn around and look upon you. Until you whole class. And everybody else can't sneeze, you know. Everybody fine. But when me for sneeze, me just don't want to do it. And these are regular stuff. Everybody do this. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. Alright, so the next one is in a taxi, right? Car drive. Me literally I sit in a car and I fix my voice. Me wonder how me say one stop. Like me street that on the road now, right? Car drive. Me I thinking in my mind, alright, how me go say one stop? How me go say one stop driver? One stop. Like me literally I'm reminiscing in my head how me I go say it. And then me say one stop. The driver not hear me. Impasse. Million. What are you doing? And then the passenger in front me know say me say one stop, you know, and then that he would have tap him on his shoulder. He man literally drive past me lane, me say one stop. Oh, your voice is so soft.
Side eye.
You know, listen, turn on the music because what? Car drive, me say one stop, he man not hear me. I just didn't want to melt in my seat. I just didn't want to go in my bag and zip it and sit down in there.
Okay.
Alright, so guys, the third one is walking towards somebody you know. That is like me I got you. That is literally a headache. Like you walk towards somebody you know and them know you and you know them. Now walk towards each other. You look up a hill, you look down. You know if somebody will coming up, but what me feel look? Me can't look in your face. Me can't look in your face. Me I look on the ground. Me I look over there, so me I look here, so. And when we reach, what? Like me know you see me see and you see me. We see each other. So nobody come go on like, you know. But that is so embarrassing. Like that almost like one of my pet peeves. Me cannot walk in front of somebody. Like, what kind of bird was that? But like walking towards somebody where you know and them know you, that is like it's so awkward because we know each other. And me I look up in the sky, me I look down, me I look everywhere. I want to reach it out, talk about, hey, what? Alright guys, so on to number 4. And number 4 is using the public bathroom. And then somebody knock on the door. Knock. Me say, somebody in here. Ew, that just sound ugh. Like, there's a bathroom, like, me literally in a bathroom, like, me I pull up my shirt, me I situate myself in a bathroom, and me somebody a knock with their heavy hand, bop, knock, me with my little vibe, somebody in here, and sometimes they not hear you, them double knock, they knock again, like, me say somebody in here, move, back away, can you wait, like, me say somebody in here, you're not here, move by, excuse, back away from the door. And you know what's the crazy part? Sometimes when you come out and pull the bathroom door, they literally stand up at the door. Like you don't feel like you need to excuse, you don't feel like you need to move, like back away. Like when you come out, then stare right in your face.
Okay.
Me just use the bathroom, I can't like back up little. Me pull the door and then back at the door burst up like security guard. Just up and go on. Because ugh. Alright guys, so the next one is, I don't know why, but this is so embarrassing to me. I don't know about nobody else, but to me this is so embarrassing. Like For example, somebody will know you for a long time from when they might went. Anyways, somebody will know you from when you're little, but you don't know them, and they say with your parents, and they might say, "Oh, long time I never see you. Me know you when you're a baby," and then they just stand up and give it like one little smile, like them attack and yeah. What? Me know you from when you're little, you know, see me and your mother Pansy used to pour around an apple tree around.
Yeah, man, she say, man, she never used to have no man.
You know, and like I can't, don't know. You know, feel it if you stop. My jaw them hurt me more. Stop smiling.
Me never mean to.
Like what? Me stand up and you continue going, "Oh, me used to do this." Like, yes, I understand. But my jaw hurt me like, because it gonna look bad if you attack consistently. And you attack and you attack.
Yeah, man, she was a chief chicken out type pot catch a crib. You stop smile?
Like that just look rude. But just want you feel. You know, but my jaw hurt me. Stop now. So the one just is very embarrassing to me. I mean, I don't know why teacher them do this. Like, stop. Like when we're in a class, right? And the teacher asks one question. Who know if you do this? Raise your hand. Who know the answer? Raise your hand. 13, somebody beside me raise their hand. And mind you, my hand is not raised. Like, I don't know what are you doing. And then she be like, "Oh, you, Gabriel, what you think? Answer." Like, you feel that is how you interact with students. That is not how. That is the biggest way to embarrass them. If you want to embarrass the student, just point on them when their hand is not up. See, that is the way how you interact. No. That is wrong. My hand not up like you a teacher, you a teacher. You know, so that is literally common sense. If my hand not up, that mean I don't know the answer. Why you go pen for me? That is like, what you expect me to say? Like, what me to tell you now? Like you expect some genie if you just fly around and use the magic one and go to pack up from my brain and me, ooh, wonderfully get it? I don't. I said that one is literally, it should have been #1. It should have been bonus because this one is very crazy. Walking past a group of boys or passing a group of people. Like, me forgot how to walk. Me don't know if me use my front foot or my back foot. Like, why me nearly drop a ground 3 times? Me just forgot how to walk. Me don't remember if I put my hand on ground. Like, this is real. And you know what's crazy? You will walk, right? Past a group of guys. You will walk. And you wanna walk. 4 of them. Why one of them having nerves? If you say, psst.
Who's a picture you take?
You want to give me a heart attack? Why you want me to jump down out here? Why would you do that? Like, me afraid. I don't know why I'm afraid. Me just nervous, anxiety, everything just reach. What are you stin? Me don't know, you know when some people are in front and they just feel the energy if you just get talk now. That happened to me like multiple times. Why? But it just, stop. I don't know why I'm afraid, but I'm not like nobody do me nothing. Me just literally walk. That's it, so regular. I'm just a walk. What wrong with that? Me just a walk. I'm just see people, human being. Even one time I go in a KFC and the place did very full. Like, you know, on Friday KFC full. Boom, me go in a KFC, me walk. And some school picnic, they like whole heap of school picnic and some adults. So boom, me walk in a KFC, me walk in a KFC. Tell me why my foot just twist 2 ways. Me nearly drop, me nearly fall. And I say, what's wrong? I walk and just whole heap of people there, me nearly drop one little way, me catch up myself. And you know, me swear somebody say, but you look like nobody not say. I don't know, that's just embarrassing to me. Guys, the next one is like when you see somebody and you say hello, what do you talk to them and a time to leave now and you say bye. Like we say bye now, that means we are leave each other, we are go separate ways. And we come around and we walk and buckle back in at each other. Like, ew, why that will happen? Sometimes they even come back and I try to have more conversation. No, like you say bye. Sometimes if you see me, you can't just act like you don't see me and go because literally just say bye. It's just, it's not really embarrassing. It's just like awkward. Like, me literally just tell her bye. Why you come why you try to talk to me for again? Why you talk more? Like, some people is so good at conversation that will happen to them and they just come and say, me buck up in a yard again. What? You're not going yard. Like, this awkward. Anyways, the next one is eating in front people. Me do not like eating in front stranger. I mean, I like eating in front people. Like, that is like so awkward. Eating in front people. We can't do that. Or even at my workplace when we usually eat, or sometimes they ask me one question with the food and I'm like, why you talk to me? You see me I eat. Stop talking to me. Excuse. You see me I eat. Me I consume. You have the nerve to come ask one question. You know which party pended? No, I don't know nothing there. Look. Me actually I eat. I didn't want to talk to him with food and I'm mouth. Me already I go through this thing already by even eating in front of you. I want to ask him one question. You know, feel like a chicken and a drop. out of my mouth. Me just don't see it as a regular thing for just take up my food and eat in front of somebody like. I don't know. But guys, this complete and this embarrassing video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And these are things that me find embarrassing. So comment down below and tell me if you find any of them embarrassing as well. So me know if me alone or me have company. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look a bit more on later. Bye.
Professional in a sentence for me.